Here I have TCL Top 10s NxtPaper, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have volume button function. So you can set it to shutter, to zoom, or to just volume. So let's set it to zoom and try it out. So as you can see right now, I can zoom in or zoom out with shutter, with volume buttons, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.